Real wealth looks nothing like you think. Look around. What do people think wealth looks like? A garage full of Lamborghinis, watches that cost more than houses, vacations every week, followers, likes, status. That's not wealth. That's what they want you to believe wealth looks like. But here's the truth. Real wealth doesn't make noise. Real wealth doesn't try to convince you. Real wealth doesn't care if you notice it. And the people who truly have it, you'd walk right past them in an airport and never know you just passed a billionaire. Let me show you the 7 truths about real wealth that will change the way you see success forever. Truth number 1, real wealth lives quietly. Let's start with Warren Buffett, one of the richest men on earth. Net worth, over $100 billion. He still lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958. He eats McDonald's, drinks Coca-Cola, no flashy chains, no private islands. He's not hiding anything. He just doesn't need your approval. Now let's talk about Mark Zuckerberg. Gray t-shirts, same jeans, every single day. One less decision to make, he says, because he's busy building a future. And then there's Elon Musk. He sold all his houses. He sleeps in a tiny room near the factory. You call that rich? They call it peace. Truth number 2. Wealth is ownership, not appearance. You see the guy driving the Ferrari. You think he's rich, but the payments are killing him. Meanwhile, the man in a Toyota next to him owns 3 apartment buildings, sleeps like a baby. Real wealth is what you own, not what you wear. It's equity, cash flow, control, not the image of success, but the power of freedom. Truth number 3. Real wealth buys time, not stuff. The middle class buys things to look rich. The rich buy time so they can become richer. They hire people, they build teams, they automate, they delegate. You're proud to be busy. They're proud to be available. Busy is a trap. Free is the flex. Truth number 4. Real wealth doesn't want attention. Instagram shows you rented jets, leased cars, Airbnbs pretending to be mansions. Real millionaires? They don't even want to be online. They don't want followers. They want privacy. They're not hiding from the world. They're hiding from the noise. Truth number 5. Most people are trying to look rich, not be rich. And that's the real problem. Most people don't actually want wealth. They want the image of it. They want to be seen as successful, more than they want to become successful. That's why they stay broke. They work to impress, not to build. But the rich, they work in silence. They build in the shadows, and they win when no one's watching. Truth number 6. Real wealth thinks in decades, not days. Everyone else is trying to get rich in 6 months. The rich are planning for 30 years. They think long term. They play the boring game. They win slow, and they win forever. You want dopamine. They want dividends. Outro, what real wealth actually looks like. It looks like saying no without fear, sleeping well at night, building something that works while you rest, never needing to show off again. Real wealth looks like peace, like quiet confidence, like not checking your bank account every morning, like not answering to anyone. You don't see it, because it's not on stage. It's backstage, running the show. Now you know, so stop chasing the noise. Start building the silence. Subscribe to Rise and Rich. This is where real wealth begins.